Many of us believe that habits persist because we keep choosing them. Neuroscience is revealing something more subtle. Our brains run two dopamine learning systems in parallel. One evaluates outcomes, asking whether something felt good, meaningful, or worth repeating. The other reinforces repetition, storing the motor memory of what we've done most often. Early on, the brain is value based. It experiments, it compares, it reflects. But once a behavior is repeated enough times, control migrates into a different circuit in the region that doesn't track meaning but only tracks frequency. At that point, behavior no longer depends on conscious intention, it becomes a default policy. And this is why insight alone rarely dissolves our habits, because by the time a pattern is entrenched, the brain has stopped evaluating it. It is no longer choosing, it's executing. Change becomes possible when a new action is repeated often enough, in conditions of enough nervous system safety that it starts to recruit the same automatic system. At first, a new behavior feels awkward, effortful, and even fake at times because it still lives in the value based system. But with repetition, the brain begins storing it procedurally. The moment that shift happens, the old habit no longer needs to be fought. The nervous system simply has another place to go. This is how embodied change actually takes root. It's not through pushing through and willpower and tons of effort, but through repeated, regulated movement into something new. So we can't just put our attention on replacing a belief on the surface. We need to include replacing the movement, so that repeated movement over time with consistency, with the volume of stress turned down so we have enough safety for this new autopilot to take root.